Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your PIN on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the launcher icon, and you want to search for settings. Best result, go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says privacy and security. And then on the right side, select lock screen and sign in. And then you will have to enter in your password. And underneath sign in option, so if you want to change your PIN, just select change PIN, type in the PIN you want to use, select continue, and then select confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.